Let us use eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and hands in a sentence. I can see with my eyes. Again, I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. Again, I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. Again, I can smell with my nose. I can taste with my tongue. Again, tongue. I can touch with my hands. Again, I can touch with my hands. Can you identify the pictures? It's your turn to answer. Good luck! Our vocabulary words for today is all about letter A. Again, A. This is the uppercase letter A and this is the lowercase letter A. What is the sound of letter A? A. Again, A. Vocabulary word number 1. Apple. Again, apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Vocabulary word number 2. Alligator. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Alligator. Vocabulary word number 3. Astronaut. Again, astronaut. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T. Astronaut. Vocabulary word number 4. Ant. Again, ant. A-N-T. Ant. Vocabulary number 5. Airplane. Again, airplane. A-I-R-P-L-A-N-E. Airplane. We have apple, alligator, astronaut, and airplane. Again, what are the 5 vocabulary words under letter A? We have, it's your turn. Apple. Alligator. Astronaut. Ant. Airplane. Good job! In a one sheet of paper, draw your face, your body, and write your name. Color it nicely. Put your hands together and say goodbye and thank you, teacher. See you again next week. Goodbye!